Hey, what's up everybody? It's Kageano here and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of reflexology by exploring the benefits of foot pressure points. Stick around to find out and we'll cover everything you need to know about foot pressure points, from their location and benefits to any potential side effects. Before we jump into the benefits, let's talk about where these pressure points are located. Imagine your foot as a map of your entire body. In reflexology, different areas on your feet correspond to different organs and systems. For example, the tips of your toes are linked to your head while your heels are connected to your lower back and pelvis. We'll break down the locations of some key pressure points in detail throughout this video. Each pressure point is like a little button that, when pressed, can trigger a specific response in your body, promoting healing and balance. Let's talk about the potential benefits of foot pressure point therapy. Many people report experiencing benefits from reduced stress and anxiety to pain relief and improved sleep. By applying pressure to specific points, we can help release tension and promote relaxation throughout the entire body. Foot reflexology can be a powerful tool to add to your wellness routine. With any therapy, it's important to be aware of potential side effects. Foot pressure point massage is generally considered safe for most people. If you're pregnant or have any underlying health conditions, consult with your doctor before trying any new therapy. Stop and talk to a professional if you experience any sharp or persistent pain. Ready to try foot pressure point therapy? Let me walk you through your first appointment. You'll meet with a qualified reflexologist who will ask about your health history and concerns. They'll examine your feet, looking for any tender or sensitive areas. You'll relax in a comfortable position while the reflexologist applies gentle but firm pressure to specific points on your feet. The session typically lasts around 30 to 60 minutes, and afterward, many people report feeling deeply relaxed and rejuvenated. Let's dive into the solar plexus point, located in the center of the arch of your foot. It's often called the calm down point because it's believed to be closely connected to our diaphragm, which plays a key role in our breathing. By applying pressure to the solar plexus point, we can help relax the diaphragm, encourage deeper breathing, and reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. Next up, we have the liver point, located on your right foot, just below the ball of your foot, in line with your big toe. Stimulating the liver point is thought to enhance liver function, promoting detoxification and overall well-being. Some people find that applying pressure to this point can even help relieve headaches and improve digestion. Let's talk about the kidney point, located on both feet, just below the ball of your foot, about halfway between your big toe and your little toe. Stimulating the kidney point is believed to help boost energy levels, improve kidney function, and reduce feelings of fatigue. It's also thought to be helpful for regulating blood pressure and reducing lower back pain. Let's move on to the lung point, located on both feet, just below the base of your big toe, on the inside of your foot. Applying pressure to the lung point is thought to help improve respiratory function, relieve congestion, and strengthen the immune system. Last but not least, we have the stomach point, located on both feet, just below the ball of your foot, in line with your second toe. Applying pressure to this point is believed to help stimulate digestion, relieve nausea, and reduce bloating. It's also thought to be helpful for reducing stress and anxiety, which can often manifest as digestive issues. So there you have it, a glimpse into the fascinating world of foot pressure points. Many people find relief and relaxation through this ancient practice. If you're curious, give it a try and see for yourself. Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips.